Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pho. First, let's build the foundation, the broth. Begin by charring your beef bones and onions, which adds a crucial depth of flavor. Then, toast your aromatic spices like star anise, cinnamon, and cloves until fragrant. Combine these with the bones and simmer for a minimum of 3 hours, ensuring a rich, complex base for your delicious pho. Next, let's get our noodles and meat ready. Choose fresh, flat rice noodles. They absorb the broth beautifully. For the beef, slice it very thinly against the grain to ensure tenderness in every bite. You'll want a mix of cuts, perhaps some slow-cooked brisket and some raw, thinly sliced steak that will cook perfectly in the hot broth. Now for the exciting part, assembling your pho bowl. First, place your prepared rice noodles at the bottom of a large bowl. Layer your cooked beef, like brisket, and then your thinly sliced raw steak on top. Carefully ladle the piping hot broth over everything. This will gently cook the rare beef to perfection. Don't forget your fresh garnishes. To truly elevate your pho, the garnishes are key. Offer a generous plate of fresh herbs like Thai basil, cilantro, and mint. Don't forget crisp bean sprouts, a few lime wedges, and sliced chilies for a little kick. Finally, provide hoisin and sriracha sauces on the side, allowing everyone to customize their bowl to their exact preference. Enjoy your homemade pho.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.